Welcome to Visit Sheboygan. I'm SCENIC Sam.
I'm Rachel's Route.
And today, we're at Blue Harbor Resort in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Woo! Let's go!
During your stay at Blue Harbor Resort, be sure to check out Breaker Bay. This 54,000 square foot entertainment area and water park is always 84 degrees and is the ideal escape for both children and adults. Blast down the slides, shoot some hoops, relax in the lazy river, or test out their surf simulator. Hit the arcade, or try for a hole-in-one at their indoor glow-in-the-dark miniature golf course.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.